Modern warfare has shifted from open battlefields to dense urban environments. Cities, with their complex infrastructure and civilian populations, present unique challenges. Traditional military tactics become ineffective as combatants blend with civilians, and every building can become a fortress. This shift demands new strategies to minimize collateral damage while maintaining operational effectiveness. Drones have revolutionized modern warfare by providing real-time surveillance and precision strikes at a fraction of the cost of traditional aircraft. Their ability to operate in contested urban environments makes them indispensable. However, their widespread use also raises ethical questions about accountability and the potential for misuse in civilian areas. As drones become more prevalent, so do counter-drone technologies. Electronic warfare systems and laser defenses are being developed to neutralize these threats. Yet, the rapid advancement of drone technology often outpaces defensive measures, creating an ongoing arms race in the skies. Modern conflicts are no longer fought only with bullets and bombs. Information warfare, including propaganda and deepfake technology, plays a crucial role in shaping public perception. Social media platforms become battlegrounds where narratives are weaponized to demoralize enemies and sway global opinion. Civilians increasingly bear the brunt of modern conflicts. Urban warfare and drone strikes often result in unintended casualties, while psychological operations create lasting trauma. The lines between combatants and non-combatants blur, raising urgent humanitarian and legal concerns. The development of AI-powered weapons systems presents profound ethical dilemmas. Who is accountable when an autonomous drone makes a fatal error? International laws struggle to keep pace with these advancements, leaving dangerous gaps in regulation and oversight. Artificial intelligence is poised to transform warfare completely. From target identification to strategic decision-making, algorithms may soon outperform human judgment. This raises critical questions about the role of human oversight in life and death decisions on the battlefield. In modern warfare, victory is no longer measured solely by territory gained or enemies defeated. Controlling the narrative, maintaining moral high ground, and preserving civilian infrastructure have become equally important. This paradigm shift requires redefining military success in the 21st century. Nations struggle to establish rules for modern warfare technologies. While some advocate for complete bans on autonomous weapons, others fear falling behind in the arms race. The lack of global consensus leaves the world vulnerable to unchecked escalation and accidental conflicts. As technology transforms warfare, humanity faces a critical choice. Will we allow machines to dictate the terms of conflict, or will we assert human values and ethics? The decisions we make today will determine whether modern warfare becomes more precise and humane, or spirals into uncontrollable destruction.